It's an Amtrak train coming. Do you hear the rails sizzling? Are they sizzling? Yep. Did we hear a horn? Yep. Wow, the rails are really sizzling. Listen to them. And as if on cue, we got a train coming in. Why is it coming in quickly? Well, hey Amtrak. 615. 615. Goes the brakes. Whoosh goes Amtrak. Goes the brake. Oh, come on, Naheem. Remember, all Amtrak trains have to make a sound and come to the station name. Ow! You should know that by now. Hey, diggity. Hey, oh, hey, diggity. Don't dig me. Whoa. That bad. Hello, Hummer. And boy, he moves us out of the car. Diggity. Oh, diggity. Diggity. That back door closing. Oh, diggity. That's weird. The Amtrak train. It's like, wow. One quick train stop for Amtrak, I guess. Okay. Bye, Amtrak. Whoa. Oh, wow. No, it's trying to be early. It rides 1 minute early. Look how fast it's leaving. Wow, I never seen this Amtrak train leave so quickly in my life. Bye, Amtrak. And at the same time, we're recording a metro train.
7,000.
Bye, 2003 Metro train, and goodbye, Amtrak train. Have a good one.
I see the line.
Oh. What's going on?
Let's go both trains together.
Bye, you two.
Hey, you're in the way.
Who?
You.
Oh, sorry. And that's a cut.